renovate ye air conditional kuntu yo kutamal fix je bagasol mani jamme ni be in state house yewol bele bondi ye kutamal keje so that renovation wala na baroman hani kata in state house bira inaugurate in Senegal kamurna Gambia.
Good point. Womu 1 point the point fula nyawanye ye kurano karanje jumo birin so manda fotilo boyta. Puruka jalangol la ko wonin talaje because baroka mem fo kamoto suti kendo to fo no la jama nyato sako president mama kamene sato yo bari ala ya harije le man sayala men tariyata bari man saya daji ko aya balalale yo ni o keta do mari bukame alma ala kana baro tambini ni sanji tangola Gambe opportunity soto any country nin dictator na liya wulindi opportunity le mu banko molli pour kala constitutional mutaka kalwa kudol samana ka kol mutaka falin dunia e makoy rodi Gambia la bara makoy role yo bari baro mabile mu kotake a soto Gambia dingol le ne amoy dinol bafula ala ngani kunu kare muta ya jati nyalla baro ko janne 3 years fumul kamane ne 3 years omo jallo tamol nyata ko mbe janne fo 2021 bir wollumo men baro fo lungle Gambia dingol nyanta finti laka amanke 3 years jotna ku fawti de bira kala mo fa dala wolune Gambia nol nyanta fala hey munebe keri bari bira futata 3 years abota jata 5 years 5 years isa 10 years aka 15 years le mira ko daga bar ko men ta ku balya men ben nay Gambia banko kan ata Africa dulato men tambita Gambia la bar mol be jambe no hada nyola falindro wote kela bawo nyo nakarol be kering anin kanyola to nya nakar wadam man be nyim banko kan non de nyamu kuma bandi wala de wallahi ta ku balya men bankun kan afele tiyol fele jam ko ngamara kuno ngo kace ne tiya kuo
tiyol yes
se koltu no tiyol fele jam bi dolu tare ko man ko do taraje yo wol lawtiyo be tarra no toron fo janni sunkaro nin alami manta ben kule bukata ku nyim bankun kan ta palane nakariya na siyata banko kan ku bukata baro mano man sonji la ba fam forcela ina mu kuwote nte Gambia di wala ko to mando ni ngamira ke aka bari la nyi ya hata ko bushi na batum fane ay hata ko le dun na batum fane ta hata fo si jonki ba wallahi e be kaso sika ka nyamen fam
kata jula kana dina na kaso le kana mai kam fajira
no metar la lay no don fana bita bit ko to nga cembo sanna wo yalla ndebe o dagra
no wala mira de nyi ngata jabe chor kan ko hay ngamne ke jang ko beti mi ndibabu ti mata min fulo
kata jula
baraka ala
bari ya bele fo jata wale dum fanam beje you know because I mean like ngabaro moyle ateko bria interview ako wahwahed yes so wahwahed dum mansa menko e wahwahed alonko to be honest nyinta keno yes
very sad
para wartale a jakalo fanan na tawara andu menu fanan kununga menu ka baro menu ka against nata wala je mansa kunda
2017 yes. Molu tata kan manka mankunda ni baro beje baro ka daele mol ka dunga kan konoto men yalon ko ni o lelle kelo ka jan sanji tan saba komando baro e bundaele wala anim men ne kelo ke 2016 na yol be sindi saloto ya nyini ka baro nyimu mum manyale ta ko Gambe dum be mun laddi mbalete wato jam fa ba ko baro mu jam kan tum balete de baro ka men fo counto kuma counta ka men fo adato kende yato o mantara dato ka men fo moli jawyato wala be baro kono man sa jaw balam nyinti de
jawyato
tiara si lo ta jande kew fintete je mor kew fintete ja kon ka baro melu nyamen na melun ta jang atal be jaw yala be adam baro ya jamete bari manyi kuma ka woni soso ni ngamira ka kumbole ñina mu toñal
ya gom man bilay suma network bu ma amone problème
yow hana state bunti state house nga tok
no nekul sa wa nga gom nga gaay do wax rek alka fay ñaan rek yalla Inte naman nga ko wala nga man strong wo nyama ning ko may use la rek.
Lakal olof.
Yeah, na 6 ago bit.
Dégg naa la.
Yeah, man comme lu ma la nekkoon di wax rek. Comme Gambia mooy lo bilaay suma waay nga de sometimes da ngeen toog xalaat am na ko fi wax léegi mu ne moom sometimes daf dee kii suñ ko nekk ndax Banjul mu nekk seen capital bi daf dee am nu mu dee yëg the same thing boy sometimes boy mo bokkal fii ay xam nga ay sénégalais ay yeneen nigérian sometimes dama dee waa xam nga moog la dee nekk rek because gars yi xam nañ ne yee ñun suñ dëkk yi amut ak seen dëkk yi xam nga population bi amut teg si tamit xam nga
moog la dee nekk waaye
moo tax xam ne ñun
moog la dee nekk waaye
nag comme lay Gambia waaw dëgg soo suma ay nga de am nañ dee peccaxee xaalis daf dee ëppa sax ngay saami tamit dañ ko xulli di ko xoore xam nga nit foog su amee xaalis yow danga dee foog ne am na soo ko waxee dëgg sax wala soo ko waxee defel nii sax yow after daf laa daaxa wala daf laa def yeneen soo danga gis ne kii mu ngee def lii sax de waaye danga ko bàyyi si biir te yow da nga xam ne lii lifinut because Barrow ñu moo jël man ñu ma gis ñi ñoo nekk presidential advisor Barrow yi man ñooñu maa leen tane su ma diggante yàlla maa tane ñooñu noonu neexut nag waaye ay du saano xaw ma ay ñan non sometimes da ngaa rebe tas kooku lu mun a advice Barrow ba nga xam ne nii dina ko njëriñ xam nga Barrow dafa munta politique by this time kii mu ngi koo wax su kii continue mu ngi koo wax by this time moom xam na ne élection mu ngay ñëw su mu nee politique dëgga dafa demale gerte yi bi ko xam na ne moom fii jaay béykat yi ñoo ko mun a génne si tolof yu mu nekk nii million su moo jël jox ko xaw ma jigéen empowerment yi noonu loolu afta la woon xam nga time bii nii Barrow su fekkoon mun na politique dëgga wala amoon na advice dëgga daf ko doon wax xaalis bu nga jël dugal ko fii dugal ko nga jënd gerte yi because time bi politique lañ nekk wala mun na ko dugal ko si kuréen bi pour nit yi mun a am kuréen ñu nga xam ne ni ama guñ kuréen waaye da nga gis ne Barrow advice bi mooy loolu ñooñu seen poche yi na weer bi dee rek ñu jox lañ leen naa jox mooy Barrow lu moo def baax na because bi leen bi su ñëwee si Barrow la moo dem su baaxee si Barrow la su bonee si Barrow soo ñoom dee doon kii ñoom nañ fa nekk xaas dat taytul rek advice bi rek waaw weer bu dee gaay lekk seen xaalis soo loolu la soo moo tax ma ne la Barrow man dama ko yërëm because ñu ko kii ñooñu duñ ko dee orienté dañ ko dee seetaan mu dee wax léegoo-léeg speech yoo xam ne nii sa waaye danga dee ñoppati sax sa boppa booy sometimes soo déggee wax yi non waaye yow si sa boppa da ngaa xam ne kii mooy loolu moom wax na ko xamut munut dafa nekk ne yàlla moom su nar a jaarale ay mbir si sa loxo daf ko faa jaarale by force waaye Barrow soo ko gisee nga xam ne kii munut kii du niti du politicien sax Barrow soo ko gisee nga xam ne kii du politicien moom dégg nit wax na si moom rek taxaw na du wax problème yi Gambie du wax loolu de ku ko sànni xeer kooku la moo wane kooku la moo so da ngaa gis ni mooy loolu da ngaa rebe tas bilaahi moo tax ñu ngi wax tamit sometimes youth si dañ dee def tafaar de ba ñu ma loolu sàcc bi bari na jaay lifin bi bari na waaye soo seetee sometimes tamit da ngaa reba tas dëkk bu métti moo ko yaa Gambia soo ko xoolee nga xam ne dëkk bi amut xaalis so xaalis bi dafa war a dem si foo xam ne moo nekk ak priorité bi mooy ndaw ñi because ndaw mooy di ëllëg waaye loolu soo ko wax duñ la déglu sax xaay ñoo gën a bëgg a léegi aduna boo yi nga xam ne ni ñu ngay jox ñoom si seen boppa ñoo gën a ku si toog bu dee bëgg a jox place boobu noonu ñaa xaw ne Gambians yoo xam ne tey graduates leen ñu ngi toog am na ñoo xam ne ni da ngaa dem ba moo tax pension sax waaye doo nangoo jël pension da ngaa force pour ñu rénover sa contrat pour nga gën a da ngaa gis ne ku yàggoon a jàng mu ngi toog kooku mu ngi yàggaa toog ak certificat am boobu moo la léegi sometimes soo ko seetee jàng bi man de laa xawa man xaw ma kande man suma doom man su ma ko amee moom su munta jàngee ji USA wala defe ni Gambie rek laa wax de dama ko dugal métier because dama xam ne ëllëg métier bi lu mu ko mun a may lu ko jàng bi mun a may métier bi mun na ko koo may because moo gën because man tey société damaa jël exemple si man parce que maa dem school maa ngi amoon ñu ma doon advice di ma wane ma booy yow léegi lii mun nga koo boole ak électricien bi technicien yi nii wala nga boole ko ak ñaw sometimes waaye xam nga ma téye advice yooyu ñii dañ ma bëgg a yeb sax man su ma jàng bi dama ko mun a boole ay jàng métier yi nii bi ko xam nga maa ngi amoon hope daal bu baax bi ko xam naa ne li ma jàng maa ngi koo xam maa ngi koo understand so xam nga da nga am hope waaye su ma yëgoon laa wax de su ma yëgoon man regretuma loolu ba ma dugg a Europe si la regret ma ne man su ma yëgoon jàng grade 9 laa ko doon emale lu si des yëpp ma def ko métier because soo seetlee moo gën a loolu moo gën a am njëriñ because jàngi Gambia fii amul fi njëriñ amul fi xanaa leen de wax bi laaka bi signboard si nga mën a xam lan nga war a def ak read xam nga understand loolu moom am na fa understanding waaye comme jàng comme like 15 years 14 years yaa ngi dem school after school nga def so loolu man dama jàpp ne waste of time la Gambia te ñun youth su bari loolu moo wees suñ time ñun ñu bari jàng bi leen topp at the end yow jàng bi da ngaa jàng ba pare nga wàcc tamit nga ñëw toogee loxo yi neen because fooy liggéey fooy dem nga dem di bale mbedda bi noonu so loolu moo nekk problème bi nag loolu moo nekk youth sometimes doo leen mën a bileem si yéen yi because nag nit ki mënuloo dunda si kaw suuf nga ne yow doo dunda doo lekk doo naan booy sooy def tafaar sax di nga ko def sometimes dégg la métti na nit soo bëggee dara da ngaa dem nga liggéey loolu moom mooy yoon waaye nit ki tamit liggéey loo gis looy liggéey boo loo gis looy liggéey man yaakaar naa ne nit suñ gisoon luñ liggéey duñ topp baag bi di rey suñ bopp booy loolu du am loolu man waxuma la man $10,000 rek su ma ko doon aan Gambia xalaatuma di jël risque bii nii di jaar si yoon bii nii $10,000 rek laa la wax su ma ko mënoon a aan Gambia at that time 2016 to 17 ma amoon job boo xam ne ne maa ngi am $10,000 yi booy dama ko manage ma dem utuma pugus bu ndaw boo xam ne $2 grand daa fay lu si des xam nga ma mun a setul suma problème si ndaw si jeex na because aduna bi booy soo ko méttilee rek mu métti booy moo ma gën a jël yenn risque yi waaye at that moment yoon bi rek laa gis because xam nga dara sotti wut foo laal mu dëgër xam nga ñu la mun a dimbale ñooñu dimbale wuñ la ñu ngi laa xool comme xoolal ndox bu taaje so yow after si looy mujj def yàlla bu nekk si kër yoo xam ne nii nag yow xoolal yow sa
mu ngi break
xam nga comme like sa daat beneen jabaram bi ñoom ñu ngi xam nga ñu ngi fële ñooñu di xam nga ñooñu booy da ngaa dof bilaahi lu laa tax a dem def tafaar sa too ko tey waaye aduna bi man yaakaar naa ne gis naa ko bugg a bon wala ku nga xam ne ni bugg dara buggut a liggéey man gawma loolu noonu so bàyyi ñeneen ñu wax waaye comme léegi Gambia nii pour léegi nii ko nii booy dafa jafeñ dafa over la difficult sax dafa difficult xanaa yàlla dimbale ñu rek waaw yaa ma gën a xam am koo xam ne nii moom dafa ñëw am yërmande nit yëpp xam nga teg yëpp si yoon xam nga gars yi ragal ko tamit ba nga xam ne duñ nekk di sàcca waaye soo seetee booy gars yi dañoo ngiroo la ñoo def nga xam ne kii dafa ñëw wàcca wala dafa continuer so time election surtout time at this moment sàcca yi si la ñoo gën a bari bi nga xam ne bii ñun mun nañoo ñàkk anytime so xam nga sa mbokk yi sax ñoo laa wax ma ne bul nelaw de xam nga lii mun nañ koo génne si yow anytime xam nga su ma waaye nga def booy ñun dañ ngay xam yëpp booy sa mbokk yi sax ñoo laa wax nelawal fii rek parce que lii buñ la ni anytime mun nga faa génn waaw xamal sa booba yow xam nga stade bi lifin si suuf booy
ñu may ñuus
bilaahi soo da ngaa gis
Gambia moo mel noonu gis nga kii damay wax ne
ni Barrow baax na waaye tànga tuuti tamit dafa baax nit yi ragal la tuuti ministre yi ragal la tuuti waaye yow doo baax ak kenn yow jéguñ nga ne tëj nga kenn gars yi dañoo am fit pour sàcca man sax su ma fa nekkoon damaa dóor du ko Barrow dafa boobu rek waaye du maati
man yow mi sax soo fa nekk da ngay sàcc
ñu may ki inject ni ñu may ki inject su ko defee ñu may ñeneen ni tamit yes dëgg la ma ne ko dëkk bi ñoo gis ni
comme ça papa
yes bro allo yes
Gambia ngi fine ma ne Gambia moo mel noonu
Gambia mel noonu de
Gambia foo fa tekk rek mu sàcc
tablet
Gambia man wóoluma kenn ñi sàcc ni ñi suñ fa jógee sax ñoo gën a garaaw ñi fa nekk
nga ne
man gëmuma kenn ci Gambien politicien yi gëmuma kenn
politicien yi amuloo yaakaar si kenn gëmuloo kenn
gëmuma kenn
waaye loolu garaaw na di ak with all these politicians
non gëmuma kenn si ñoom yu tani tuuti rek ñoom mënuñoo win élection Gambia
ñanate
ñooy PDOIS
doy
ñoom Halifa Sallah Sida Jada
am na ku doy in the air what's the name of this guy again
ñoom xam nga ñoom mënuñoo win election waaw
Suwaibu Toure how man that doy ko in the I don't know so this Suwaibu Toure doy king in the so yow no gisee mbir mi because su fekkee ñoom Halifa ñoom fu mu nekk nii they going all yàgg nañ si arena bi fu mu nekk nii gis nañ ne dëgga Gambians are not ready to vote for them so fu mu nekk ñoom Halifa ñoom Sidia these are people were about ñi ay waliw leen si politique su ma ne ay waliw leen ñoom amul luñ waxu
aduna loo gis rek dafa am watu boobu si jotee rek da nga war a bàyyi keneen jàll waaw aduna loolu la yow sa temps bi su jeexee da nga war a xam ne man suma temps bi fu mu nekk dafa jeex ba suñ la waxul sax yow bàyyi yoon keneen ñëw yow da nga war a bàyyi keneen ñëw aduna noonu la
Halifa day guy de yaatal nen oncle Suwaibu Touré moom jox nen ko baatin bi fu mu nekk moom moo war a continuer ak PDOIS comme li ma nekk di wax la comme su fekkee ñoom Halifa ñoom noppale ko neen si mbir mi waaye ba léegi ñu ngi wax ak nit ñi waaye fii fu mu nekk all we having is oncle Suwaibu Touré PDOIS is the only way forward. Sam Sar, maa ngi gis sa comments yi. Sam war nga mën a nga yaatalal ñu Uncle Suwaibu Touré, the guy from PDOIS. Yéen ndax pare ngeen pour Suwaibu Touré comme gannaaw PDOIS yàgg nañ ci politique Gambia bi ndax pare ngeen pour jox Suwaibu Touré di baatin ndax pare ngeen pour vote Suwaibu in Marina Parade. So PDOIS mun ngeen a egg platform baa ngi ibeeku. Yes bro, news nga ne naka?
Man kay man da nga dégg Sifras bi la ñu wax.
Nga ne?
Sifras. Li ñu wax seen kii bi. Seen gis-gis bi.
Fan noonu nga ne?
Sifras ku am chance pour win election bi. Da nga ko dégg wala dégguloo ko?
No, déggaguma ko waaye fii nii gars yi ñoom ñu ngi bugg a coalier waaye den bugg a génne bugguñ UDP seen daat bi bokk ci coalition bi gars yi bugg a form noo ko gisee.
Xam nga UDP suñ fekkee ne dañ bugg a président Barrow pour ñu mun ko win si élection bi. UDP su bokkut gars yi duñ mun a win.
su UDP bokkut gars yi duñ mun a win.
Non duñ mun a win ñëpp xam nañ loolu. Loolu de nekk na just coalition rek waaye duñu mën a win. Ñëpp xam nañ loolu. soo xamee Gambia rek.
Are you telling us ne UDP suñ bokkee si coalition bu gaay mën a bokk win dafa mën a am waaye suñ leen si génnee win du mën a am ndax.
non win du mën a am non impossible.
so meaning ne UDP su fekkee ñu ngi laa dégg su dee parti la ñoom ñoo ko fi ëppa nit so for that ñoom dañ war a am pour nit ñi dañ war a am pour coalition
waa opposition parti ñoom ñoo ëppa waaw da ngay gis ne ñeneen opposition yi suñ joone ci UDP rek dañu mën a win understand waaye loolu sax dafay naxari nag pour ñu win la
loolu min dafay
naxari non Gambian fi majorité bi si NPP lañu nekk président Barrow
si Barrow la gaay nekk.
waaw xam nga ñi noise bi si internet bi la kii rek. internet bi la am.
noise bi internet la am.
waaw exactly foofu la am.
so lu tax nga ne ma.
soo demee si ground bi.
waaw si ground bi si suuf waaw.
waaw si suuf NPP la ñoo tànn kàddu. waaw loolu mooy fact bi loolu mooy true. su fekkee ne bëgguloo nax sa bopp kay moom loolu mooy kii
mbaa bokkuloo si boy saabali youth are happy yow. ay part of those youths.
nga ñëpp mënuñoo happy. ñëpp mënuñoo happy.
déedéet yow laa laaj.
waaw ku happy rek loolu yaa am waaye man kay maa ngi happy fu mu nekk nii I'm happy.
ok moo tax maa ngi laa laaj because I need to know because yaa ngi wax fii point boo xam ne dama la war a laaj. nga answer ma foofu tamit mu ne naka Sunday like it youths are happy comme ni ko Saabali waxee waaw yow su fekkee ñu ngi laa dégg si ban parti nga bokka yaa ngi ban parti am nga parti bi nga bokka
waaw NPP ñoo win ñoo win election
ok jërëjëf because fii parti yëpp a fi egg aw ma ci benn problème thank you nga wax ñu parti bi nga bokka dineen mën a waxtaan bu baax yow pour yow si sa gis-gis yow lan nga gis ne moo change this and lan nga gis ne this government is doing it for the Gambians lan nga ñu ci mën a wax
government bi lu muy def ni Gambia boori yëpp la nekk di liggéey fu mu nekk nii
no mean boori yëpp la moo liggéey yan façon ngi liggéey nga nekk di wax tali
no any kind of development boo gis rek nga xam ne development la ñu ngi fi seen loxo ñu ngi try for
seen loxo
very direct though.
Allow him. So are you telling me here ne yow si sa gis-gis yow all you wish is Barrow mu continue ba léegi ndax
Barrow mu continue moo gën nii
Barrow mu continue moo gën
waaw moo gën ñii de
so yaa ngi wax ne fii développement ni Barrow bi loolu war naa mun a wone ne Barrow dafa war a continuer so tey ok lan nga mun a wax si lopitaan bi jigéen yuy lal si suuf di tëdda is that you call development loolu noo ko mun a waxee
comme que moom yow yaa ko wax man gisuma ko de nga dem si
ok xaar
gisuma loolu
non dafa ndànk ok gisuloo ko xaaral léegi gis nga nataal bi
voilà gis naa ne xanaa bi Gambia la xanaa
Yes.
Mana ndax gis nga nataal
mana gis naa nataal bi kay
thank you
mana fan la
comme yow gisuloo ko xaaral ma dimbale la tuuti comme nga ne
gis naa ko
This
gis naa ko mana gis naa ko loolu la mana gis naa ko
let me help you I'm gonna help you comme nga ne because danga waxi ne gisuloo lu mel noonu ma ne la am na moo tax ma posal la nataal bi ne la lii is in Gambia lii Gambia la happen yes si lopitaan yes so lady li ma la bëgg a laaj mooy ne comme as you say ne development mu ngi fa okay are you telling me lii is part of development suñu yaay di lal si lopitaan di tëdda si suuf is it part of the development naka nga ñu ko mën a leeral
photo bi dafa mel ni yu dee dem si lopitaan bi di nekk si biti ñu nekk di xaar yu dee xaar si biti
ñu dee xaar si biti
waaw noonu la mel photo bi noonu la mel
ok photo bi noonu la mel ñu dee xaar si biti
waaw bala ñoo dugg
xaar si biti sa lu
baax bro kana bala ma laaj la dara fii Gambia nga nekk ndax yaa ngi development countries
ma ngi development country
ok thank you si development country bi nga nekk ndax mos ngaa dem lopitaan benn si lopitaan yooyu nga gis nit yi nekk si biti sax waxuma la si biir anyway let's take it si biti outside the hospital let's say under the veranda ñu lal ay malaan tëdda si suuf waxal sa diggante ak yàlla ndax mos nga ko gis benn ci lopitaan yooyu
dafa def ne kenn ku nekk sa doole
non bro soo bëggee ñu waxtaan answer the question then you ask then I answer
non man fu ma nekk gisuma ko
gisuloo ko
ako gis boy
fi nga nekk mosuloo ko faa gis right loolu nga
wax party for the people there
yes
okay thank you lu tax mosuloo ko faa gis lan moo tax mosuloo ko gis yow country bi nga nekk nga gis jigéen mu lal si suuf si biir lopitaan bi mu lal si ron veranda bi malaan tëdda di xaar patient nga ne mosuloo koo gis lu tax mosuloo koo gis lu tax lan moo different fii lan moo different brother I would like to talk to you
ñoom seen doole ak ñun suñ doole moo amut
loo miin doole
different yow xam nga luy doole
non yow laa miin xam naa luy doole yow lan nga miin doole ban façon doole nga ñu fee wax xaalis or development or
xaalis kay
okay si xaalis right okay thank you all right this government biñ taxawee ba léegi over ñaata millions moo nekk di kasaara yëg nga ko ndax yëgaloo ko ma pile yàlla audio léegi nga déglu mun a understand
non loolu just news la yow mën nga ko wax fii nii rek
non déedéet This is in World Bank. Look, hello? mun naa laa wax site bi nga dugg nga check ko IMF.
Man kenn ku nekk mën nga dugal internet nga bindal lu la ne.
No, this is not kenn ku nekk de dama laa wax demal nga type si sa internet su fekkee yaa ngi amee laptop nga dugg IMF Gambia loan buñ amee you check it by yourself. Yow nga seetal ko sa bopp not man ma cegal la ko de man mun naa laa playal audio nga déglu waaye yow nga def sa investigate nga dugg ci website bi you read by yourself where you will understand ñooñu duñ fen because you know IMF duñ dugal loo xam ne is fake because suñ defee loolu te nekkul dëgg Gambia government have right to sue them. Xam nga si loolu.
Xam nga IMF sa holali, xam nga the Bank of Gambia is actually one of the they're run by the Rothschilds. Rothschild more the Bank of Gambia, xam nga loolu. Rothschild.
Man joal keneen mu wax ma ngi ñëw.
IMF yëpp yooyu noonu. George Soros yëpp yooyu noonu. It's not a joke. Baalal.
Brother, kisi kaw ni news damal si IMF lifin bi website bi nga type loan bu Gambia amel loan buñ wara fay it will tell you everything. There you will understand ne xaalis boobu lopitaan bi ma la woon nii mun nañ ko see develop kenn du tëdda si suuf lali dina doy peese ni amade si amount of billions yi kasara si biir dëkk bi loolu laa la nekk di xam nga man platform bi lu tax xam nga lu tax mu ne parti bu nekk mu fi dee ñëw and I'll take my time talk to each and every one of you so loolu neex na ma si suma platform bi because you know why saga amu fi ku saga dama laa wàccee but as far as ne respect mu ngi fi rek mun nañoo waxtaan man I invite all parties to come and say how they see it. Waaye dama la bëgg a wax rek comme yow soo munee am time the little time bi nga am nga dugg IMF nga check Gambia liñ amee ci loan boobu dina la war a mun a gën a dimbale but you still support your support do your support I have no problem with that.
Bob Sobo ma laaj benn question. Bob Sobo ma laaj benn question. Ma laaj benn question. This loan is from only borough government or is from the previous government?
Okay. Hara ma pilal la audio su ko def
no dama di loan bi laa laajte is from this government
hola ñu ngi la wax ñaari président yi romba from Jawara Dembe Yaya Jammeh Adama Barrow the third president loan bu mu jël ñaari président yi passé yi yëpp mosu ñoo jël façon boobu
okay
yes
okay, xam nga li nga waxtaan si topic bi nee na people the Gambia government people who are on the government they are not there for the people. They are just there for their own personal interests.
Thank you.
How much understand what I explain?
Gambia IMF loan.
This is new one. This is boy you talk with they are happy they are because c'est affaire mo baax.
Guys, this accumulation of loans depuis time Jawara is not just the government. That's not how IMF works. You know, ne government be su fa gene rek that they way check. You gotta remember Jawara loan, Jelna loan, Yaya Jammeh Jelna loan, plus at the time the rate of the dollar is different. So Yeplen accumulate. I've read it. I've seen it. It's not like Adam Barrow more gel loan. This from time Jawara.
Bro, they will explain. Bro, Gambia Jawara was having the best because Gambia was having the best economy. That's
to be debated. Linga woneni. Natal boy woneni niti dictator CBT. Lolu man depuis suma time in Doli Moneka Gambia. Nothing new here. So I don't know what you guys are talking about.
So, okay,
man, I was alive time in Jawara, time Yaya Jammeh. This is nothing new, Man suma bopa dem na lopitan man neka CBT just like that. So this is nothing new.
Well, okay, man luma late. Time in Jawara among the best economy in West Africa. The Amnawala Amudon.
Gambia was super poor. How much
Time Jawara.
They cannot time Jawara, ñun suñ koñ, you know, danga konte kër yu am courant, you know, people were struggling. People were much poorer. What are you talking about?
Boy, bro, come on, explain.
Man, I'm telling you real life.
Mais the African. Déglu leen audio bi. Jigéen bi daf ko translate si soose pour ñu understand.
Yeah, man,
Mati, xaaral dafa ndankari. Di nga ñëw suñ fi xicooyee duñ déggante duñ mën a understandante. Life bi dafa bari xicoo rek waaye ñuy si suuf duñ mën a understand luy daw. Ne leen mayante rek su ko defee ñu waxtaan si xel. Waxtaan bi mu la gën a neex.
UDP 50+ campaign group olu alla sistalem sane balamang del nata kanyen kibaro dialla nyanta na kata be femferendin kala na fere ke na president baro anini NPP government o bondini bankoka ni vote out ni wante Gambia be tunin nata ni report o min nga safe jang anin video min nga play ni munna expert leti Eco TV wala Dr. Maneti anin Uncle Larry Cisse alila moy biri financial analysis ke ye report ol je e report ol weed CD keta kamin for anin min be buko kono wal fatata. After 30 years of independence kabirin Gambia ya fall long sanje tansaba jawara la jamano na billion mi ya lonko ay julo min tatata kanyam billion saba and 47 million.
Dega aliamo ile.
Billion saba and 47 million.
Alila mo jana dronga ay bang.
Yaya jamme nata sanji muang anin fula. Yaya jamme fanang. Woye billiono tanani anin woro 47 billion anin 30 million.
Listen.
Woye waleta. So billiono asinya tanani asinya woro wafana waleta anin million tansaba. Bari wakata sanji tanlulu anin fula kabirin Gambia ya fanlo. Sanji tanlulu anin fula.
52 years.
Paro government no nata. Sanji 2016 kata 2024 December karo 2025 min bota kono wadati je followed anin bina dunna min konte wala 2060 sanji tang o sanji konon to sio birimbaro sita wotata billion keme anin billion killing baro yel wala donto barola sanji kononto ay billion keme billion kili nin kili ate sanji kononto alket ñun dole ye sanji tallulu sanji fula wala julo atata kanyang billion tanani billion wo kononto amam billion tallulu fango adasa tala sanji tallulu nin fula ate sanji kononto ke ay billion keme billion killing baro walike bi Gambia la julo mimbe bantala bankol to min ya lonko ila yomi dini abe jolale far force wala tata kanyang billion keme billion talulu ani million tawarula ani warula safo kodo min julo benna approximately billion kemelem billion talulu anin kelem inde mentalde al dukore al ñim pass through platform wol kono ya long mimbe keri
okay fogna ñu ñep deganen ko
man dama fogon ne IMF ngay play UDP somebody said UDP man dama fogon ne yo Man, I've read about the loans. I know what I'm talking about. Like, you know, plus so why a loan, right? Gambia Amudara, the people don't pay taxes. You know, like Gambia never they export anything. It's a poor country.
Okay,
so
Gambia's not IMF. Harald.
Money.
No,
Some of the approved loans.
No,
they're all posted on World Bank Group website. Bank approved loans for Gambia government. Here are some of the approved loans. They're all posted on World Bank Group website. March 28, 2018 World Bank gave Gambia government $35 million to Ministry of Higher Education. May 24, 2019 World Bank gave Gambia government $30 million for National Nutrition Agency. June 4, 2020 World Bank gave Gambia government $35 million for Department of Public and Private Partnerships and Public Enterprises. June 29, 2020 World Bank gave Gambia government $43 million to Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs for NOEC. July 10, 2020 World Bank gave Gambia government $3.46 million for Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education. May 10, 2022 World Bank gave Gambia government $20 million for Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs. June 9, 2022 World Bank gave Gambia government $68 million to Ministry of Tourism. December 18, 2020 World Bank gave Gambia government $94 million for Ministry of Health. October 9, 2020 World Bank gave Gambia government $138.50 million to Ministry of Health. April 2, 2020 World Bank gave Gambia government $18.91 million to Ministry of Health. November 24, 2021 World Bank gave Gambia government $40 million for Ministry of Agriculture. December 7, 2022 World Bank gave Gambia government $20 million for Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs. July 13, 2023 World Bank gave Gambia government $9.33 million to Ministry of Health. November 20th, 2023 World Bank gave Gambia government $60 million for Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs. February 23, 2024 World Bank gave Gambia government $92.71 million to Ministry of Higher Education. November 25, 2024 World Bank gave Gambia government $42 million for Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs. April 25, 2024 World Bank gave Gambia government $68 million to Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Lands, Regional Government, and Religious Affairs, Ministry of Petroleum and Energy. November 14, 2024 World Bank gave Gambia government $25 million for Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs. August 31, 2018 World Bank gave Gambia government $34.80 million to Ministry of Basic Education. May 18, 2018 World Bank gave Gambia government $120 million to Ministry of Finance for NOEC. November 24, 2021 World Bank gave Gambia government $47.89 million to Ministry of Lands. February 23, 2024 World Bank gave Gambia government $50 million to Ministry of Higher Education. Between 1 year from June 2023 to June 2024 World Bank gave Gambia government $178.33 million to Ministry of Health. EU, European Union, signed a contract with Gambia government from 2019 to 2025 to fish in our waters. They paid £119 million to Gambia government. These are too much loans. Wake up Gambia. World Bank approved loans for Gambia government. Here are some of the approved loans. They're all posted on World Bank Group website.
Kuy werante demal ci World Bank website bi rek waaw man mënuma wax bu bari motax ma play len audio bi waye kum leerut dugal rek ci website yaa ngi fi xew
yo
the website is not lying, everything is written.
Ngo mo ele fana ani na web fana ngoy we ko do beta ye ibe molke kan debt con
Money. That was an AI video. When you go on IMF, I'm gonna First of all, Harold, you see, here's the thing. Keyword, Harold, keyword, plus IMF, right? When you check online, Harold, when you go there, do they want they gave NAWEC ministry, they want the country's government. No, to the way. So I guess Harold, are you saying here? No, I'm asking you. Yeah. No, wait. All I'm asking you is, are you saying is AI? AI na oil? Yes. AI. Yes, it is AI. They're gonna audio Bini. I mean, I've seen it online. Money.
Yo,
It's AI, buddy.
Duga na the website. Have you ever entered to the website and check?
Yes.
Duga the website with a hole.
Money. Hanga, what's the giveaway, right? Giveaway. You know, Mudor Diwa ministry. That's not how IMF works, buddy. That's not how it works, you know.
So you're telling this AI, innit?
It's not real, buddy. I'm telling you, that's not how IMF works. The government, so I see the different countries, you know, even Ghana, all these countries, you will see them listed. Nyom send government, like Gambia government, Sunjele send loan. For example, the Nyowa IMF ne. Okay, we need loan, like, let's say for roads, right? All this is monitored. Ne could ne dengue jail halis be like johla koni. Like suñ ne dañ buga defar ay yoon comme baro lum nekk def, you know, they monitor all that pour xaalis boobu pour loolu lañ ko day joxe. Oh suñ ne, you know, we are giving you they making a pledge nit yi suñ déggee millions nekkul nekk dañ la day jox xaalis bi. It's over time ndanka it's a pledge that is made to you waaye nit yi suñ déggee xaalis bi ñu ne oh Gambia am na li non nekkul ne dañ ko am, you know. You know, job halis mubarini. That's not how it works. You can go read it and see. Why man nyoma puru IMFB? Nyona puru because man don't dega kenen duwane affaire gerte. Man, this year in Gambia, even though I live in America, right? Man, you know, Gina gerte bu bari Gambia. On my farm. Gerte bu bari nga tiya jama fi. You gene yep sa, man jaina suma gerte already. So, hana ñi nga xamne you know duñ béykat ñoy nekk di joy li ni lolu moma day jaaxal. Man, I'm speaking on what I know to be fact. I'm involved in it. I'm a farmer in Gambia.
Bing don jai biri bela tiel wa fila. Ya wa fi benen ma man sakunda bang fo.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and Mansakunda, Gambia Mansakunda, right, is paying more than Senegal.
Okay.
That's a fact. Yeah, because you know, man, I'm a farmer. Like I'm selling my.
No.
So Mangdonjai.
We are listening. Yes.
So Mangdonjai, right? So I did my own research. Pruma, you know, I contacted Niti in Senegal, you know, to see, you know, Nyataling Neka the Kojai versus Gambia. Gambia is paying $38 per kilogram for Senegal, 35 Neka the gender. So Gambia is paying more than Senegal, you know. Manjaina suma gerte already, literally.
What a man la buga like money, yo. Kan nga jay sa gerte? Nawet bi passing dah balabi.
No, this nawet bini. I just sold it like we are in January. Jaina ko in December. In December, we harvested in November. You know, you know, it's out, sir. You know, password being
Give me 38,000.
No, 38
in Gambia.
Yeah, rolling kode jende. Mansakunda mode. Yeah, in Gambia, Senegal, they pay less than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
the thing is, you know, this now a lot of people, they want to play politics, right? But Gambia, there is a lot of money to be made. No, nga wafile, ma fo nga sande, mfo ntele nga tiyo nga fin, na dulato nga sene, you know. Nyomi.
Ya wafu Jamaria, Mansakunda Jamaya.
Mansakunda Paswaroto. Paswaroto now.
My brother.
Moro.
No, listen. We are all listening. 150 people are looking at you. We speak the truth.
Ngo. Memina. Yalo mandingol ka for me fanene muswabe ni la wato tema kodi.
No, ibatu.
No,
there's a comment coming.
Yeah,
wait.
Sorry. Tio ba wa kan ya understand. Ibala mai kana.
Na beja al Michael soro nga nyomo do.
Kodoke ibala mai kana. Tio sign government me introduce no line. Momo ibela tio wafla. Ibela tio kodo njola turu wefla. Ya understand. So like more follow ye tio wa familia and more follow ye tio wa familia wali la kodo so but later on kodu ku problem woni wala naka dunke so molke la tio samba fenkol to le fenge ka dumi for password all to ten then any day bike la kodo so you understand so mini alon ko le responsible to woti ko ni naje leking fm la moy mando bije wodi am tala ko ye mim fo to la ni mim bala rentable kan is different mol ni la tiol nata nanne government man kodo so do mi alon ko yanta woti tiol ñu sanna andun tiol ñu meta la renjel so wol ba mi fo ko sikoti wa fo fana watle bala because government man order businessman will allow pure na tiol sang Gambia ya understand kan fo
no want wo fanan ten to nyaati is tia sanal ibijele ye allowle isinano ye tiol sangalo nen kamim foye
no government me allowed government na ke ba
ani lamwe be diamu kante nyame
boda to Senegal wali a feel ko yenda tala Senegal la pour kate la fengo bari man chance dile ko government itale ba fengo wafla ya no sa yemin di wolon ko ni ma waf ya ite jambandol dila ni fengo fay demo
ni momi ilamwe ni momi ya lonko ibe jikirin mansa kundala malon fay be wala fokam bari nte kam min explain ye tenting nte min ka diamu ye ten musenelal ti nganna seno kele nganna tiyo wafi anu nga modo na senela monyo right now fang as we speak mol botanang Senegal inata ibala tiyo ibe tiyo sankan abulu ilam ibala tiyo sankan ibala tiya nyamo sankan mansa kuna mantra ka momo stop wamu diamol ti dorong wo molle be diamu kan
maybe government
Lamin Basila ta coming for tenting for songae. So we cannot be we cannot just like take the negative. Nintarate ala tiyo wafi. Then he is one of the luckiest people. Me ala tiyo wafi.
Exactly. Okay.
And whereby many more jamal bije wal me ala tiyo wafi follow. But ate ala tiyo wafi then he is one of the luckiest people. So I water don't catch I continue. We cannot just stand on one thing.
No, je kai mom je ntema amanke ko mbalanta wala wol kai mom I am in for on Tonya they are lucky to le akodo bambu there are a lot of people out there mini ko ila kodo lima receive no through wave. You understand?
Ni lafta science ni mo long mi alon ka be Senegal a lafta tiola ninti anyamo yen contact duma na pejo to mben nomba dire la be dunna Gambia be tiyo sanna science and BBBB abe tiyo sanna aba sodi la botol kono mota stop la ngalo nenka min foye I know what I'm talking anyinga manke coming ko new school and new say min fode nyim mum fongolti mfongo be min kono moma fonye de mfongo be nyin kono
Africa
di
Africa lo fomu ne
ni mo kuma la Senegal na
Africanos
so kamuta Gambia mantra tiyo sanga
yala ko mol mantra ka sang business so mbay tandikanne ko I mantra ka mol stop nin fonin ko do te bulu de nin ko do be bulu iba sannale wala be caring nka wala faali eten ko wala be caring amanke ko mol kam mim folem ni mantra nyin ko kono ita lon na bari in Gambia isa nyen sannole Yeah, man traka more stop there. Yeah, Italy la tioti ni lafta isa wafi, you know, momo diate.
Yes, itonya bari nte kloya mo Adama Barrow la le.
The Africanos, war is even practically impossible because the government cannot stop you for selling your product. What no, but what talk me for wala nyintiko. Then come up for maybe you are the one of the luckiest people because model African this know me from know me, like they are saying that it might have you all and then like ni lamini afonyamiko ni waving ibikela kodo sodo. So whereby it all what ikakanyami wala nyintiko ko ila kilianol come like nintere janintiol kamo because in being an African farming agriculture benyami. So it all kakanyami ko la bila kilianol ni kom sama ko janintio ni kapare ni tol surata kodola. So wali nane kodo dilela then ni that yo mota ye joala anu being an Gambia farming kake wala nya.
Ndema ke wanyama de maybe wale ake wanyama so well that makes difference ni mola julo bela for say jo what is a fact but nara itale la tioti kominte tabe nyame mola julu tenna ni nga momillo you know
exactly because you don't have a financial problem
BBB elatio isa wafi ibe kodo tele bulo kono ko jato cash you know wave school from what together cash iba kontila ya label kono you know
farms
wala be caring
then sila nyin sanalan mimba kumboka koko ila tiol mantara kasanka and the wave kodo nyin ila kodo sodo so ko
bari fema fo wale julol leta
no e ma fa julol leta comme like ila kiliano ni surata kodo le yare itama you don't have a financial problem nkete jenyabenta because you said you are in the US so which means that you are not part of those farmers whereby wal be la kiliano na wale kodo dile la ni la tiyo mota yejo wola
Mbara Musa na US as a financial almantankala or as a financial no matter where you are whether you are in Europe or whatsoever.
No but no na brother nimbe diabala ngatonya for you we are talking about farmers mini alonko is from hand to mouth you know and
no but some farmers are in back home they are more rich than people who are in Europe.
No unko na brother mbenga wolonde but I'm talking about the majority of the farmers mbenga alonde which farmers on me alonko they are rich farmers and then farmers me alonko they are from hand to mouth ngamo complain kanko farmers of the complain kanko ibuke ila tiol mantano like for example minuka nana puri ila tiosam because people are saying that the government is there going to buy their ila tiol.
But you people also know that you people are talking in this platform. People are listening to you guys. But what I understood through my point of view in this point, there is nothing working right in that country. One thing for government more stop no. Government can stop each and every more stop cement for right now. Same for a tax right now. There's nothing working right in that country. Billahi wa in 2026.
My brother, support. And I'm not saying that things are working there. Cemento need to jahasela no.
No, tio fam la bukata ne munol bije wol betinya ni dutol betinya ni tio bukata ni mari min ka fokate al tio sang nga fams ni nka wala platform don kayko. Allow me to talk with this man. Ate al tio sang jamale.
Moro ndemu senelalti ba.
Okay, number ha.
So I'm used to polls. I've seen polls. I've participated in polls all the time. I get calls for polls and I participate. It's not that complicated. It's not that sophisticated. It's a simple poll, simple questions to gather public opinion. And there's a poll sampling. So right now we have a population of 2.3 million people. 1,245 people out of this poll. So just to paint a clear picture, because sometimes we see these things, we don't have time to sit back and just digest and dissect information na mol hakilo bulale Gambia no mo fili dura ka die bake tapale aka dia Gambia no le nyanto stop la so population no na more Gambia bejang according to whatever GBOS 22.3 million people more less than 1.10 less 0.001% yole nyininka mo clearly follow 1,245 people yole nyininka will participate into this poll so nyimbe mira na poll le so mira in the back of your mind 1,245 people participated in the program out of a population of 2.3 million people nyimole kodo dila ikuita poll la ngamre nyanta ifana nyanta barkala domanding hanna be kala 1% of the population di ya kata ini wole nyomoy 1% of the population would have been 20,000 people but maybe that's too much 1.01% but 1.001% that is way too low but that's fine let's forget about all that okay still munem post is a simple sample size ye bangu du nyininka from Banjul Serakunda Birikama Fonyi Jara Badibu Kiang Bansang Basse Beyininka all across the country mosi fa fanambede kanam de nol musul naku dokulal dokula office dokulal bank dokulal senalal garden dokulal ustasol karambalol karanal ikanyini bele nyininka you have a nice sample size kafule proper sample size so nyine mo wili kinin kema fulo nyininka ka bo Banjul fo koyna okay so yo no masoro nyamin e menyininka mu sifalam mu hadabare sifalam society kono mo lo folo kati mo fo mole ka senela ko ten karamu do ko ten ajale do kulal ko ten bank do kulal ko ten to la america nyim pol so fendi kan yela jiye ba fole ko foninkel bidu agent list wol 10 and 25 wol ko ten tek do kulal men do ko le tek wol ko ten pharmaceutical wol ko ten ajale you know musul the women vote lan antol polling kumade in america because that's what we do so politicians now they can track their weaknesses and their strengths. Ntonga polling lo wanya polling nafa menti mo every politician nyanta polling encourage because I kitela mako ila political but gambe jang ntola jang hasidia ne mesiala kaka jang ko de fofre ne te ko jang gambe la ko kuren ding tapaliani hasidia ka bla kono pol nafa molti pol man ka just komi kanyo hada nya kala kata ha yal ngafa le ha na mana together bla 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 opposition bla sai modo bije sai opposition wala sai kala mutabaliani klanta ya polls man na wala what polls does you have to break it down nde bi nyanta ka long okay karam ni america la ndanga polo ngam pol melo kambe sa nyi mo be pol la mo fo sa sangi tanane fe so alta pol folante science na gambia polo kala na mana polo nya ka ya jaba jamano baro la nyi sionon pol ke resi jakelum fula saba so alman polo ndo me yalo sa fale ke bal mena fena ma dringa fo rek ko passa ma ñol diamra karamba to ñol diamra ko ñi ne pol ke nyami question fo is very very unethical so Paul ka menke bi nyanta menno na bi wala nyanta la UDPSC bi iko population de mo million fulala bi jang mo wili tan dulu wala million so mo wili tan wili mo wala nyinka that's 1% of the population wolbe ko 1% mo million 23 million 2.3 million 20,000 wala nyinka that's 1% that's I can even go to bed with that but 0.001% ite wala nyinka ko ndanga la wala say fana imo fana breakdown nya I should know okay funding kill ko from the age of 18 for 30 wala ko nyina la problem ko nyina tol nyi kate fare bi ibe nyina kala okay iko musul wala ko tek na ko dogulal wala ko tek ajale masol wala ko tek ustasol ko tek basen ko tek jaram ko tek bo ni be musi falan ke mankile men ka jara batandi jala la problème manke banjul la problème wote banjul kol la problème manke jara la problème wote basse la problème tekeno la jara la problème wote fo ñun kol la problème wol ni la fan sun problème dara fo ñu kam ne fo al économique bon nin kan jang économique bo lo folé almame jiba diamda almame jiba last time MP abolo kumboka ko économique so joro la bo bu yamulo lata wala problème wolete ba ñi tara jare ko économique ba fa le mena économique itara badibu iko ba fa le mena ndom économique problème ndom ngam so wala na senote wala problème wolte itara basse wala kemira na seno wala inala trade kala nyaminde ning kas jana tema to fan lañing inter trade men ka kete maje aja essential price on for but to jam fadal fo be ka ser del it will wallet la problem. So it will man this is what polls do. Polls brings the picture, the overall feeling, the sentiment of the people across all regions. Mul be nyami be men feel ka ñinin karolo fana be je ka ñinin karo ka nyami. But bring an polo jibe because gamen unfortunately lesan. Hadi na men fo tara karam modo. Dol nsavo mbakala venen durekala comme man pare comme ka modo ya bari kamero nyanta lang kakarang no banyin koroteng dul saji madrong ye me faykar na surbut ngata na hajola. We don't sit and learn banko bukara teng mo be de tunu la teng pretty you the first thing men korsi je very easy ngak check iko ni be nyinin kala ni be pol nyinin kala mol nyanta munekela is very very simple as sonata among complicated simple yento kumande bari ntele be participer kan pola wala samanja wala fatu sana yoro kumande ikay ko bari nyi mo wuli kinen kemen 1245 people yoro nyinin ka so ni bolu nyinin kala yento kumande lesente bolo ko ibe nyinin kala simple bokar jame to don tele bokar jame be sanji dara okay be min to lembe sere sukuta le kakate fe min to kakate fe jana tenente hi okay so even nyinin kala now the most fundamental question in this polling wala mundi bari nyaja fondi wala pour dumala be na katet na political be nyame simple question ke bani alpha tema ya fo nyadi nyenta men fala wala ko question nyenta kala menti wala mi ite nyin carte fayta bi wala nyin carte fayta December ni America jamaje ba fala ko if you had to vote today nyin carte fayla bi jamaje ba ke yin ka wala bugo mala meme kala next 6 months carte ka political ka fali na fatfa sisi jambi science next 6 months essence bamba ko kanja mo be jomale prim param mo be ko baro fit barata bi ko barola so wala na jama nyinto ba kala America ki yin kala if you have to vote today who are you going to vote for nyin carte be fayla bi ite Boubacar Jammeh ibe carte fayla dumale mama kandela mbang dabole mbang talibe sule mbang wala esafa mbang. These are simple non-complicated questions ndenga poll on then like I said nga mvanga poll kele mvanga call at some point or surveys whatever it is okay this is what you ask in nibe nyin karo jela dumale be kela fonkote. Who are you going to vote for? If elections were held today, if you want, you can say, if elections were held, in next six months, okay? But the questioning that I saw here, who is likely going to win? So basically, instead of you asking me for a choice, okay, to have a clear picture of who is leading what, who are you going to vote for? It all what I saw is I call it clearly who is likely going to win. So now you are not asking me to make a choice. No. You're asking me, instead of ending a choice, wala nyimfimala wala kwemala wala dabala wala nyindolam wala nyindo. No. Say ko dumala be win. Who is likely going to win? That's what you asked me. That's what I saw. Then when you look at it immediately now, you are not asking me to make a choice. You are asking me to make a prediction. Kafoko nyine be win la. Yalo say ba ala bolo. Ndaman ta fade. Ndiko say nyine be win la. Ndiko ko usela be win la wala dabolo wala fanke le win la to do barolo win la. Say mbemuna la we are making predictions. Mbemuna la kankularo men nyanta nala. Ndaman ko more. Say igmana de kanyen ka more question la. Karanyo more. Ite manke more ntama ka more di e kan tanyen ka more question la who is likely going to win. But your question is troublesome. Let's put in the Africa Benjamin. This is not America. This is Africa. Yang mansal kamunake. Ni mansa sindi mansa kamal baliara. Mansa sila bagasota e fela. Mansela kodota e fela. Mansela pikopolta e fela. Mansela nyi zado komba bal nyi sonke balta na be tamala na be hadjane sukuna jang. A benin kidibal ni e komok dim primpre ka fole show of power. Jang Africa koleke. Africa man sol be beten yemme min sinde budun o kamera sa ngata fa malta state house budun abe tiki takale la kodola abe prim param la so ina most de melan ko 90 jang sa fo 95 80% be ko man ta ko rekere karol man jam fa hani men tara school fo la fambe han santo man jara ya jam men lan kan say na man kende a follow sanyi mo problème o sanyi mo wida démocratie sanyi mo lipa sembo abute sembe jayo woda mal non sa all of a sudden science and brakono sanji tang brakono almost 10 years ago ba kono man jara follow han sa kam man sa jibe nyame mbaka man sa jibe man sa nyanta kala nyame ndoka man sa sambeto jibele so yaje yana mo so mo mi anko hakilo man yirwa follow ika fe ko so after it is for 5-7 years ite ka minja wala nyimma sa kilo tiki takala abe sembo tan la abe ta ba fala musolo ko ha tenen ten nga 50 million ken la keten kuma kala sila adunum fang sila yela jana this thing ni kapali akul bekela then perception ka fole ko multa men je nyala ya jamme jiyo ya jamme hani last minute ya jamme last minute men foko jala last minute sukura ja ngal be nyaaje ika mojele fo ya jaw ika convoy jale nyimma ko ya bola wala ka fala hani so wala hani 1 week before ika mole ko ya jamme abola who is likely going to win ya mo nyinen kala in 2016 la last 2-3 weeks ago ba fala ya is going to win because population of the brainwash wala mind pareta wala you want to find like a symbol they see perception of power, the illusions of power. Mo be ko machono, mo be ko mi boka sidiki jang wala wala zeno dabo wala lamin doctor la mane wala la resise no. Mo dulu bi jewol ni wala ñewle people je rek ñi zado combat jara banta hakilo tan e chawda. So ite mo le mbede bo ñama. Ya ina e ka ko so who is likely going to win? Your question is posikan. Obviously, ibe mo na fala. Ta ñine be wila bari ndo janga wollo man sale wila folu men man soko pep aboyta fala buru wure ko malo no wala kake hali bire ko ya ko jam video wala wulte wurde bu lela ko de ka privé bankor bu na mana yi lela live ko ko be kala fo badi go do bi jele men tara victim of dakana te ka boy fo ka je boy ka ha wul na mana yilla ke ba ko to na bora tiwa ka boy fo ka je boy ka bu ko wanda hakilo na mana ta ko nyimbita that's the perception of power aka men kala ga either Norway, either Denmark, you never see a convoy beside a bit of America very rarely you transport. You been Tonka Tamala, Air Force One, and I Polino Binjeta, to Abuja and Bruna. But you don't see this tiki taka sembi jitando what in America or UK or England or anywhere in the civilized world. But Africa, this is what happens. So you create this mindset, you mula man be a poison, say who's gonna win? Not Ibe Karte Fela Dumale. Simple questions, but fundamentally different. Who is likely going to win, and who are you? Ite, nketa me nyinga, ebe karte fela dumale, nyin karte feka B, wala karte feka December, next karte feka fela dumale. You send that bolamba. So bala say yo ki yo fo moy, mo sa be sira la mira ko. Aya disolota. Ndere bi nabe banko be nyamenti nare dambari adambara sai moesi yonkola be kirin mo le fakam bakwe mo tang mo kemen tan nare be fara janja ginak yimbe be kirin sai ye mo nyinin kai be kare fedu mala ol be jibe ay banko jibe ay marse jibe ay prasol jibe akokono ay shako ha mbadi la adambaro wonyo wuli akumore kirin that I know is a lie. So whoever menka fem fala jam mem mino man kilika man to ya fala. So question o munatinna imanyinin kara ko ya fa ko ba vote la dumale bari ko nin carte feta ite a mira who do you likely think is going to win say la fa ndanga mori yake ndanga mana lor malo ni nga fa wona men ni dia ko wala na perception wala ye nya ko menna yem to busam menna yem nene menna ka man sa buka boy param maybe more well, like I said, not every respondent is educated or hanna tara manitara school fajira high school hani UTG jang nya yidu yidu jana wul do ka defo boño so you still gonna have a problem because perceptionally wul ya mira ko man sa buka boy kitara jambi tara CRR kitara nyem kabaro ya kamne foy ñu ndé kontor nguru ibuka ntol dino fom ka fa na dino fom mansa kontor ma alaw ika nyinga fo jang gambe jang itara kabare batala itara jare itara bari batala je billahi wallahi mbeo la njan panjanyolo ma folo la ika folo ndul ka masa kontor so ko naturally automatically wona folo no ya adamala yes yara yin kay bola folo itara nyu ngulo ko bola folo itara o medina kaf kabara jana this is what they're going to tell you. So why can't you just ask simple questions and then improve your sample size a little bit? I understand because sample size 1,000 is enough, but we are dealing with a 2.3 million people population, at least 5,000. Spend some of that money. Couldn't you talk about the price like you say presque? Well, look at ya. American law company organization only for like look at you could deal a pre like funding. Do a little more work. Yes, you can say yes, 1,200 is a sample size, but it's 0.001% plus, less than that actually. You know, if you can do the math, you know, percentage of 2.3 million, and even if you use the voting population, come let's say the voter roll is 960 something thousand, 962,000. Wale karne soto voter roll exactly. You know, even 1% of that is 9,000. But let's say 0.00. I mean, come on. But still, I'm okay with that. The sample size, fine. You choose to do 1,200 or something because you're probably lazy or you just want to spend the money. That's fine. But even going by that, my problem is not the numbers. It's about the questioning. Not that I totally mistake. Okay, like in posting. One day I'm going by what they posted. The questions was who is likely going to win. Not that I totally mistake. They can go and clarify that. But the right thing should have been. Well, I bring out in the page. Even people like Coach Pasamano, they say the same thing. Because now you basically leading somebody on. You know, it's very simple. We have choices. You have Usain Dabo, you have Talib, you have SFL, Adam Barrow, you know, everybody know Ahmadba, sorry, Mama Kande, Yindebijel. Ask simple questions. Who are you going to vote for? Why are you denying us that opportunity to see that? And then go further. Once you do that, go further and help us as politicians or as the country so we know where to put our resources, where to further break it down. Maybe gender, okay? More men are saying this, more women are saying that. You know, ages of 18 to 30 years old are saying this. You know, mostly farmers are saying that. You see? The Franco are saying this, you know, so what? So but you're not asking people to make basically prediction. That's not what polls do. You're trying to poll me to find out what I'm feeling. Who are my likely candidates? Who do I want to vote for? Who's likely to win? Who's likely to win what? What is that exactly? So this is it. Come Gambe betende. Yang ikanya di churumpem fode sera. Churumpem fode bare don manam polo njam. Ya nya bijana sangi jelu 20 something years manam polje. I don't know. Yeah, Jawara was 30 years, 29, whatever. Manam polje. So in last for 5-7 years old, churumpem fode ko churup pol. So everybody men namanam pol for nyala. Probably went on some classes, you know, American local class banking to you know, educate us about democracy and how to maintain, you know, civic engagement and things like that. So it's a new thing. I don't blame them that much, but these are fundamental flaws that we need to point out. Okay, and I think it's all. Maybe it might be a learning how to call it, a learning curve for them going forward. You know, in a situation like this, you're trying to basically because you're putting candidates out there. So simple question instead of me making a prediction. It's a guesswork. Let me just make an emphatic statement. Then your number breakdown. Nga more 1,200 people. So now everybody know your place. Simple, clean polls. Now you can say, okay, well, you know, and then most polls like I said, they're the polls of men. Back in, like I said, I've been dealing with polls since 2008. When going, I don't know if I like it. Bush Ningolo election, George Bush Jr. and Kabiro Tamo. We've been dealing with polls. But you take a poll so and I break them down, they break it down. You see it. You see the women vote, because America, you'll hear this thing on TV. The women vote this, the Anglican vote, the Catholic vote. You understand? The gun rights, local thing. You know, the South is saying this. You hear all this. So now you as a campaign, when you mold, at the end of the day, what is this whole thing about? It's not about Nyawal law. It's not about Kanyo Kamfandi. It's not about Kanyo, Kariman getting, no. It's about education. It's about giving us tools. Ka ferol di mola sai ni za e fanji be ko ha gunjuru de astafurlah wel comme ni ko Sénégal de promo mu Sénégal karola Sénégal be campagne e ko la tio man sang well maybe wala na Sénégal la vote tara ten okay ngaje students all from the age of 18 to 30 years old they overwhelmingly say in Talib Besula what nga promo sotola sai ngaji we nyum fonni how we going to get them okay ngaji be ko nga apology ko atudum fam musola karola musola na ko dugulati musola jenna jaw dim foten ajal musola tara 60% adambaro 60% what maybe learning women for learning maybe wala be affect keka so ajal say defana aji be fanang university mun keno ko counter this is how politics works imanga nyaw is about knowledge information yata ya you drive iko say ntede nyum polo fele de ndiko kebe karanyum nyum la ma follow I'm doing very very bad in that area. It's showing me the rural vote is massively against UDP. The urban urban respondents, or maybe urban Banjul, Serakunda, Brikama is favorable to UDP, but we have a problem from the rural vote. We have a problem. So you learn from these things. You take the numbers, you crunch it. But it is like just tell us emphatically, Moloko, Nin Carefangere, Yinabe Cate, Ikobe Catefalene, but he mafoko, Kainul Co. Ya miracle, Caribe Villa. It be Paul and it can't pull, it a malo and a malo, it a man. Why are you asking me that kind of question? So Nim better have been one of Gamino forwarding at a Veladunje. Gamino, you take Kukurindia. Asi kalandea dunje asi kalabandea dunje asi malak malakun dulbuka fende keno mimbe senala set all the time yembula dawda yembula kokurni kunna laba chikeje itara IC laba itara ni simple fonike ma ko ni kila pour as strengthening our democracy on fon kanyi question sifa di mola now you put it out there so say you're gonna see some people wow ni na ngapadi ni na it's not true. It's not indicative of the truth. The question lines not ringing because you for young. Most likely you're more in Kawan. I'm only going by to the Mensafela post. One felegan, man femfo, imam memfo. I just brought it to light because Mojama Baji became Ima cross. Jamao Paul for Jibel maybe 60-20 but look at the questioning, read. You go, you see that is a fundamental. They bring us a Mojama na post ya coach pasa manual Karabatu in the Bedi Hamla Benajal. Well, they've been dealing before the America Caramanal be Carrefel in America. Well, they policy are better. So I told them, dealer polo, I told them, Jabon follow. I come over the Ambalaja. See, we are not going to allow that. Many are alone, they have a responsibility. Come on, Nile and the minimal law. Because Nima in Dokel, Nimila time that she feeling it. Science and Etolo Nile and Kunyako. But then you want to come and make it like a commune, Kumona in the Paul has, well, for like Yankuba Karafe, Manafa, Yankuba come like for that, Fort Lamalo, Yankuba badly beating Yemenko Yang, the Katefel. You know, they have all these weird things and they were not like a funny for body. Which, okay, I'm not really going to go into all that for but I'm dealing with the Menketa, what is happening, what I saw, the line of questioning. Every intelligent person, Niaje Ibalanoko, is flawed, fundamentally actually flawed. You don't ask those kind of foolish questions, actually. Of course, this population of Mango, you go and get a president of Gaboy, then in table of folly. You just say Barola Villa, simple. But ask them, who are you going to vote for? Because they will take a pause. At that moment, they will reflect. They will reflect on the prices of their pay. Maybe at a phone sitter alone for a quarter, maybe a barino fato 190 people on the men father science and back on kurum fana another 20 something ko tafaj. You see? So ajal ay mira la price la men sankam marseto sun ko la kana si price be sala ko tenke mbe ba ko right now. Sai wo janno ba fula yes karlam ba fot la wala be sila la time ta fula du na foye most likely wala tonyat atara te nyim barambe be kiring ko be kiring hanu ato ka adam baro woto we adama kamle. It's normal. Baraman kay defendi stresso man kay defendi fem man kay femate badana te mete badande wala adam baro kano fine won mun fanam bijel nobody will do anything to them, but maybe dol fanam bije the price of commodities will make them determine otherwise. Maybe they are determined ka karefa ka adam baro bonde, but maybe the perception because Africa la wol jang man sa kany nek ko sembo itande ka fiti fata ya jam nek ya jam fiti fata jande ya jam sembo mo itande mo itande jang woni zaddo ko mbala kata makata kambol buto wolo kambol bute wala ber alala mate kana to e ka folo ni ka folo kanyi to mane la fo ay lan sambu jana fenke banjul lam banjul even the name you cannot say it. Wala perception ka folo psychology the same thing man saka ko nyama. So it is mo on that kind of questioning line, who is likely to win? They will see power, they will see perception of and illusions of power, they see it can mean the nyako te bola fala. But yes, some more ele ko jang e be kala jani nyin carte ko jang chapa who are you going to vote for? You see a different answer. La fa nyina kala yala mole ndemele jambake just to nganjela rek I ndey be safenola. I said let me come, hopefully people will share these videos at and then we'll get much more intellectual or intelligent discussion going forward. So more bela ko ke be mane yake political leke ajel hansay ka bonam banjul combo KMC jara abe opposition block opposition be sirinje ni man se sembo so bi atavita sirinje ngala amol ako nali adam baro ko nyala ko nali yanko bobbon ko marse bi jang bitikit guli kilin kema fula on dafa ka luwale ntakela damantal man yanko bobbon jang nim mem futara level of desperation to president futara that level of desperation. These are the facts. Ite ka diam rete suppress but president men ko fa dala o man tara jikiring ko 60% be carte fa watale 40 something percent man tara jikir wal atolo bo fala but president do fala nasa no bi atabeta sidin break american sul bi atabeta sidin KFC bi atabeta sidin banjul bi atabeta sidin jara bi ñina gambel hafo bet or more than that bara ta bulo kono a sembeta la symbol mo bulo kono UDF a bulo kono. This is the fact. And in council will be they are delivering more than 1 million people will be staying West Coast. 1 million people according to last census. They came like a banjul like a jara like a Gambia for manta. So it time all be sitting there will nya married will kaka number will qualify. It's not true. So mo kana la fenajang natra ikanyin question sifala nyininka nemen na deta me ko ha ila kenyo le ka balan polo al balan because many are suffering dini mero man fan kala mata wol dol hali understand wol man pol fa gila ila biya ko ntamanta wol respect la jambi de respect la fla because ndega pol so jele men america e pol men kabiri sanyi mo ambe pol jibela dini mero men ka mahana bul bara marade wotina ka fulde teninteng ikanyin question sifala nyininka mo le ka mo ko ha teninteng ko nyininka ka nyami mo le so ni ma no yela polo muta. Let them ask kartening dumale alba fera dumale. Simple question. Muna neto fala. Sara ando keba ko ndo besenja akakal mbola nyakuja. O keba sifla bijele keba kalanta na gol dilo sina ye tapa ndol bi anako accept that. So nade reme yela polo ya feda banda bari même to nyaati bi naje president be sila faka desperate. Kala mo jibe ka fa nta development no kala aliye. Da man tal man ni ciamano bodije. Ba kam fare sare karobela. Wodo wo man tan polo jibe ka. Hani o ka pol doje men ni mankile. Baroka pol menje alka menje alo do ko la fa albe menna alo la fa ya jamme ko nga fala nyamen jang mole amere alala matu hani qur'anu la ni safa te boyla pol ko ya te boyla mo buga si wume ka ya boyla ala nga to nya fo nyoja 2016 atala kireso banda barude atala kirimba so wartati ate KMC bati bulo kono Brika American suba bulo kono, Banjul ba bulo kono, Jara ba bulo kono, Basse ba bulo kono, Kuntawur ba bulo kono, Sierra South and North ba bulo kono, Basse ba bulo kono. 100%. Ay council beke fair lati, ay beke politikoti, ya ay compino ko balu olto, kodo ka dum, aka pasar patio ko balu council la. Ya jambo si pasar o garado, o soja. Ite be sin council te bulo ko. Basel be te bulo ko ani Sierra Fentor, Sierra hani million taldu be ka so do samon. Fentor bulo ko. Brika fe wala ne ke fula ne fe bodi ja. KMC fanan 300 million plus. Ha? Ya jame jamano ñin be batla ko no single council was on the UDP. Akakal jina Gambia al kala si sonda ni dino be la kala de amola al si al reflect, go back and think, don't fall for anything. Sambo perception was ya jambe at the utmost level. So Africa bo nyama Africa man so be ka nek ñima sama sesira ikake alalti. So ite mo ñin ka ala problème wala ba fa la ha wala wilna do afala fo ju so ko membi jaw ba ju so be dibiri. Okay, miral dungol mentara bakwe. Osono wo kemira la mari botel ite boy ninka lumena osono go be tiare. Bara ko mo win am rek Africa la nguri ni na mo be kada ni defeatist mindset. Kamere be defeat la. This what masaka ni kila. Ba ni ala pata lumena ni ndo keso kon minka keje. Ajibe ko nga fanya na tre to kamen foto wolbe tonyaring adam baro fe. Atasi la ka foga ala la chamalo bonne pour development kali. O that's embarrassing. Mu malu ku molti. But what can That's what happened here. And then I can hang wala. Omo hani kari kilo korkel fonsi dara bo fola. Nimbe mendi tapale adron. Abe mu is all orchestrated, abe kodo. Ha, abe tapale ya. Ha. Ngo ni mo kele wude ko talibe sila banko atele banko mala. Atele be ma mo be nyata few months ago. May ba ja atele jël 2%. 2% because ni mo nyininka. Exactly. Sa ala ngo jibe ba. Kadan tan ko ma jang isita la nyi mo kilo le sobe ke jang ni mari nyanyo le no senso. Iko talible usenu fo dang. Kodi? Iko nyimba katre fara talib tenedi. Talib le nombre be santo almost 18%, 17%. Kodi? Ha usodi be for 13% malo 10 index. So iko sa ni wona ranyo kan wole ke. Almost so what happened? Mun ke da wata sai. So wo bada 13 ama ni kar sa bakoron ke wala kana ni korake so. O jolonta nan 13% sa be 2%. 2% about. Mun ke da. Mo le fata bang wala la mo le yemanta bang. No, because the line of questioning probably have changed. Because hani ko follow ko jambi. Hani men ko tere ka eduma le win next election. Iko talibe suda fele. Iko Adam Barrow fele. Hani men ko teta. Iba fole na Adam Barrow la. Nade yin ka wala. Duma le win la. Iba fole Adam Barrow la 90% bolo fole. So yin ka ro nya very very important. Beral be talib ni Usenu foka njala ko duma le kate fele be kate fele duma le. Usenu talib wala Barrow be 30% Usenu be 10% malon talib be 15 something percent. Umunyin karode. Who are you going to vote for? Ima for who's likely going to win the be talib tavala. Abe 15% sotaga. Sign B what are 2% because the questioning changed. The psychology changed. Once you put talib on a platter, yemman sala symbol and the palato come. Didn't man gamana la party follow a master structure to follow. More like yes. But is he ready to Karambaro by Hani? So Hani memman can there, Buffalo Hani, Talib to win nola. Immediately, Yadi Barola. Science, see the number go up. Because perception. But nothing in Karakotan you go. Ning Karate latter B, Adam Baro fella, send double fella, Talib Iba Fella Dumale, Talib to 2%. Talib will get more than 2%. Nothing in Karaka Walla. Ko, Ning Karate fella B. Iba fayla dumale tali fele sen dabo fele adam baro fele or talibla nyi sufara jurmol be gambe ko robela woto nyin 2% nyi wota soto abe selala abita this 10 or 12 or 8 9% njikita wala bare biri akeno wala kita so my say bring question of falling direct talib jita 2% because jikiti je it's about perception, it's about ika menge ika membule nyakono man saka men lipe nyakal wala ka mo jama confusion de mo jama ku man that level to discern this kind of things ka jibe ka hanyimu diam keso man sabe tane rek man sana kata nana moto bal na la fokota that's normal pero ma min ko sembo ba tere bulu ni sembo ba bulu bi talibe so tata sirin KMCP yankuba da tata sirin brika american so bi rek mala to tata sirin banjul ni na to ata sembo bal. These are the facts. These are the irrefutable facts. You never let him plan okay. Number left me for. So more perception is a different story. So my Talifana became a victim of that. Few months ago, yaning usen talo yaning usen aning dabo, I be 15% marker. Dabo be for 18% malo, whatever. Baro 30-something%. So say baro at 40-something%, talibi the 2%. Usen be 20. Because now the perception you're in inka. Ima fo ibe munekela. Ya fo yemune mira. Mira nyala jininka. Ita ma dumale be ganyela. So nyaw mira ita symbology. Symbol malabun. Who has the power? Then the perception and illusion of power will can illa response ni determine. Then you start making, oh yeah, baro may win. So I hope you guys understand. I hope Ali understand le membe caring. Nkame mfale a clear talena. Ntamantara mona kata kanjang nkame mfale be nkakumola fa paladoka. I gave examples. So how they did this questioning, made any questions back, I understand. But Amman says make is not getting the real information out to the people. Gambia, alanga tapale abulal, alanga nyo nene bula. The moment of science and you know polling start, you know when I'm polling polling jela from batata. So if I see anything I can point out it's a problem. So ala hakilo tankondi, ila doko continue, ala political continue albe menna, ala chairman ila doko kendolke, ala mayor ila doko kendolke. Abi batla blokono. Gambia la chengo. The most important places is all in the hands of the opposition. Imme kumodo fale abe nene kumola. Ni kontan ni adade be satisfy lo mum bi itenyi manya ilanyi desperate manya kala. Bora masija ko sai karo ko sa kabira tola sai. Akabe toje kala to lulu mala fa mo la fuja. Sai wuta ko kakata jelal $50 million sakata aldi musolla. Al femme na manake nyimba ko kanja on president menan ko ni man ko na falenta bi. Yesamba commissioner de jambo na president for that. Hanu ibaka yalanko ning ko falenta they will all answer to that. Ko do bada dami dumala di and on what pretext supersonic la for salam finance la malo wala muna biye what is the interest in that ika jele charge musolla what interest everything who is paying the interest abe fenya but hanu they want to go that route yalanko atel la bankula nim man sakunda fara janko tanke na bada janko tanke they will all answer to that problem. So you can find a desperation wala nyama kun cham wala bela. So when you remember carrying in Paul's order, maka kukilende. I'll say longe. Budu. Nale mekataka, I'll say you kuwa sana lima, mobe akala mtu nyama. Okay? All right. Budu. Be salamu kala sa mbita. Ajema kuna. Thank you so much. I just want to come here and then get this out of my system. Can do Gambia ni mam men taka ko la pam yabula tara kana ka useless budu mole lala. So we just have to keep going and going and going. Anytime we see this anomalies, these abnormal issues, we hit it on the head. Janjang, we make it like, damn it. Do qualify. Mokana lamfu, mokana murukoma. Ni left. Let them go and ask simple questions. Ibe karte file dumale ninkarte file sita. You okay? You was some manager. You want to report more here. Yeah, report more. Thank you so much. Therefore, left off all. Because we been to find Bambadilla. Nsi wuli sayin ko wala sayin do ko mbula nyanta mbula ha fonin kel ban problem bolto alaw fanam fonya because we are pay alben nyimi ka kada nyingi ka jole NED yani ND yole they pay you na indo kelo they ka ko soro jela. So when you're making this money go the extra mile, don't be lazy. I'll tell them my interview we have a population of 2.something million people. Why interviewing just 1,245 people? That is too small. Get a bigger margin, if you know, get bigger sample size. You can do it. You have the money. Okay? Then give us a breakdown. Give us gender breakdown. Musul kateng, kyol kateng. I'm getting overwhelming musul kateng. Kyol, they are voting this way. Okay? Dinwall, 18 to 30 years old, they are 18 to 35. Youth soul, They are good. They are trending towards that way. Then let me work on this one. Farmers, give me the farmers' numbers. What are the farmers saying? I need to know. Farmers are saying that they are going to vote for Adam Barrow, but I know farmers are struggling. So how do I change my messaging to farmers now to make sure I catch up with Barrow? These are the kind of intelligent polls we need, not just nonsense. He say he has he say. Who is likely to vote? Why are you asking me that? I'm not a Marabu. You're not a Marabu. I have no idea who's likely going to win. I don't know, but I can tell you who I'm going to vote for. How about that? Ask me that. Clear example: when you did the Taliban Hussein Dabul poll, I think Adam Barrow poll a few months ago, you saw what happened. Taliban 15%, Hussein blah blah blah. 18%. I don't know for 30-something%. That's okay because you ask people who are going to vote for. You didn't say who's likely going to win. Now, by the time you change the questioning, you ask them who's likely going to win. Taliban to 2%, from 15% to 2%. So you see how questioning just basically changed the whole perspective. People, when they are in power, they have the perception of immortality. So you ask somebody who's likely good, they will say, "Oh, NPP will win." But that's not what's in their heart. We're trying to find out what's in their heart. Tell us that. Ask them who are they going to vote for. Then we can prepare. In the absence of that, you can shove your whatever suppress thing where the sun doesn't shine. We'll talk another time. Thank you. Bye-bye.